We're here in Eagle Pass. It's called Take 5 Oil Change. This is Itzel. Itzel, you want to give us a thumbs up?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Changing the oil. And these are other two handsome assistants, Jesse and Isaiah. They're doing an amazing job. This is another voyeur. So we came in for an oil change. This place is amazing. The service is amazing. It's clean. It's quick. They're efficient. The customer service, if we can give it 100 out of 100, we'll give it 100 out of 100. Again, it's in Eagle Pass, Texas. It's hot, but they have amazing service. So if you want your oil change and you want amazing service, come visit them. Take 5 oil change. All right. See you, service whisperers, at the next spot.